All I have to do now to glue them. So I folded them. Now I have to glue them. Probably I'll start here, in this corner. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you how I'm gluing these cogs. How I made them, I have a separate video, a short video, and I'll make sure to include the link. Now, it's quite easy how I'm making them. I rescue usually the books, unwanted or unloved books from the libraries, from the bins, sometimes from the curbside. And I cut the book in three or four kind of pieces. Then I start folding them. There are different designs. Sometimes you take three, 4 pages and you fold them together. Sometimes just one page. And as I mentioned, I'll include the video, so hopefully you can see in that video how I'm doing them. So I'm gluing them in a black frame. Please let me know in your comments if you think a white frame would be better. Now, because there is a small gap, so what I did, I'm actually including those rolls, quilling rolls. Also, there is a separate video how I made them. Let me know if you think it's a good idea or bad idea, but at least they fill the gaps, you know what I mean? And yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm retired and I'm kind of enjoying my DIY crafts and art. And here I am doing this. Hopefully, I can sell this frame. They're not cheap, trust me. It's labor of love, but also they are gift giving ideas. It's good to give someone a piece of art. Let me know in your comments your favorite part of this video. Thank you very much for being here, and I hope to see you in my next video. So next video will be again. I did. Um, it's a surprise video, but it's quite nice. I did an installation, a small installation, or as assembled something. So it will be in my next video. Thank you very much and would appreciate if you subscribe and leave your comments, likes, and share. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Now I don't like this center, so I came up with idea to put something in the center. So what I did, I have this puncher. Just to give you an idea, already prepared, but just to give you an idea. And I have this script. So I glued four of them together, made like little buttons. And I think if I glue the buttons, it's much nicer than to have these holes. You know what I mean? I can put this here. I can place this here. Yeah. Okay. So we'll glue this.
Oh, I forgot to glue this one.
So for the halves, what I was thinking, just to cut this button in half. So I don't want to cut this one because it's quite nice. How about this one? Like so.